I'm Clare, and today I'm making a hot crossed soda bread with a bit of an extra Easter treat. Really, it's just a classic sweet soda bread recipe with some Easter treats and some Easter egg you've stolen from your children, with a whole load of yummy dried fruits and nuts, and spiced up with cinnamon and mixed spice. Add in 450 grams of unbleached flour, a tablespoon of caster sugar, a good pinch of smoked sea salt, and a teaspoon of bread soda. Give everything a good dry whisk. Roughly chop the fruits and nuts, drop into the bowl and mix well to coat with flour. Then add in the mini eggs and chocolate to amp up the Easter appeal. Not forgetting 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Mix the wet ingredients. Grab a separate bowl and pour in 350 millilitres of buttermilk, an egg, and mix well. Then pour in most of this mix into the large bowl, reserving a tablespoon just in case. Using one hand, mix the flour into the liquid. Start from the side of the bowl and gradually work into the middle using a folding motion. Just be careful not to overwork the dough. After giving your hands a quick wash and dry, tip the dough onto a baking tray and shape into a round. Cut in a deep cross to let those Easter fairies out. Bake in a preheated oven at 230 degrees for 15 minutes before reducing down to 200 degrees for a further 25. So I can smell that's definitely done. When I take the bread out of the oven, I'm going to wrap it in this tea towel to ensure a slightly softer crust. I'm going to make this treat extra indulgent by adding a white chocolate cream. To melted white chocolate, which I've allowed to cool down to room temperature, add in mascarpone, pouring cream, and icing sugar. You're going to have to give a good old whisk here to bring the cream together smoothly. Then thickly spread this cream over slices of the cooled hot crossed soda bread. I've topped mine with some fresh passion fruit and a few extra mini eggs for the boys. How would you top yours? Let us know in the comments below.